You want the best for your car? You already watch our tutorials.
So the best place for the best deal is to buy from the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulk drive belt used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Before carrying out this operation, we recommend watching our video 5 things to know when changing a drive belt. This helps explain the key role that this part plays. Turn your engine off, pull up the handbrake, pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. Take off the engine cover. In order to change the drive belt on your vehicle, you're going to have to lift the front and remove the passenger side wheel to have complete access. Unscrew the wheel nuts, lift the front of the car and place it on the stands. We strongly suggest watching the tutorial, raising your vehicle safely before carrying out this step. You can then remove the wheels. Don't forget to slide them under the vehicle. If the front plastic crankcase is present, you should now remove it. The drive belt moves the alternator, which charges the battery. Yet, it also operates the power steering, the air conditioning compressor, and sometimes the water pump. The drive belt is found on the passenger side. Using a 16mm spanner, loosen the drive belt by lifting the tensioner pulley. At the same time, remove the belt. When you are changing your drive belt, you also have to replace the tensioner pulley. Using a socket wrench and a 13mm socket, remove the lug nut from the metal plate. Then unscrew the 3 holding screws on the tensioner pulley. Lift the metal plate, then remove the tensioner pulley.
Please support us. Subscribe and like the video, that will be really cool.
You will find the bulk parts and products used in the video on the Mr. Auto site and in the link in the description. Get the new pulley and put it back in its place. Screw it back in with a socket wrench. Finish off the tightening with a torque wrench. Screw the last lug nut back in. Take the new drive belt. Be careful with the direction in which you assemble it. The letters on the drive belt must move in a clockwise direction. Slide the new drive belt into and around the different elements, respecting the layout from the initial assembly. To fully put it back in place, lift the tensioner pulley in order to pass the drive belt into all the pulleys. Then release the tensioner pulley to fully extend the belt. Before starting your car again, check that the belt is properly positioned in all the pulleys. Put the crankcase back in. Then you will be able to put the wheels back on your vehicle, putting it back on the ground. Preparation completed.
Hello, if this video helps you, like and subscribe.